Today we will look at how to generate and use SSH keys on Windows. Windows doesn't really have SSH support built in, so we will use the PuTTY MSI installer to install some necessary utilities. Once installed, open PuTTyGen. Note the defaults of RSA and 2048 bits. This is usually fine, but can be changed to suit your needs. Click the Generate button and move your mouse around for unique keys. Once ready, I recommend setting a key comment of the username @PC you're on and a strong password. Click Save Public Key. Give it a meaningful file name and extension. Click Save Private Key. Use the same file name you used for the public key, but with a .ppk extension. If you need your private key in any other format, you can export them in the Conversions dropdown. To use your new keys, open the public key. I like to reformat this key into one that's more commonly used, which starts with the key type followed by all characters in the key, followed by the comment all in one line. Note that this format of public key can also be found in the PuTTyGen window. This can now be added to the service you wish to use it for, such as GitLab or your authorized keys file. You can double-click the private key to make it available to Windows. For SSHing, you can open PuTTY and go to Connections SSH Auth. Click Browse and select your PPK to use it for your current session. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this episode of the Wilson Minute. If you did, make sure to like, subscribe, comment, and if applicable, watch the next and previous videos in this series. If you would like to help support this channel, I have listed ways to do so in the video's description. Now go memento that mortem.